Imagine a world where you could receive almost anything you need delivered right to your doorstep in minutes. This is the future that personal drone services promise, a future where logistics are revolutionized and convenience reaches new heights. No longer will we be reliant on large delivery trucks clogging up our streets. Instead, we'll have small, nimble drones zipping through the air, delivering packages with speed and precision. Companies around the world are investing heavily in drone technology, developing everything from autonomous flight control systems to sophisticated package delivery mechanisms. Governments are working on regulations to ensure the safe integration of drones into our airspace. They promise faster delivery times, reduced traffic congestion, and lower emissions. So buckle up, everyone, the future of logistics is about to take off. So what exactly are we talking about when we say personal drone? Imagine a sleek, compact device, small enough to fit comfortably on your countertop. This isn't just any drone, it's your personal delivery assistant, registered and identifiable with a unique ID linked to your home address. Each drone is designed with a specific range, often up to 50 kilometers, allowing it to serve a significant area around your home. Think about it. You could order groceries from your favorite store across town or send a last-minute gift to a friend in a nearby neighborhood, all within minutes. These drones are built with safety and practicality in mind. They come equipped with advanced sensors and obstacle avoidance systems, ensuring they navigate the skies safely and efficiently. Their user-friendly interfaces and intuitive controls make operating them a breeze, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Personal drones are not just a luxury, they're a tool that has the potential to empower individuals and revolutionize the way we live our lives. Now let's break down the magic behind personal drone deliveries. Picture this, you're browsing your favorite online store and you've just found the perfect item. Instead of selecting a traditional shipping method, you'll see a new option, personal drone delivery. Once you select this option, the system automatically connects with your registered personal drone, which is likely docked at a nearby charging station or resting comfortably on your roof. Upon receiving the delivery request, your drone springs to life, launching into the air to pick up your package from a local warehouse or distribution center. The drone's journey is monitored in real time through a dedicated app on your smartphone. As the drone approaches your location, it uses its onboard sensors and GPS to identify a safe and convenient landing zone. The package is gently lowered onto the platform, and the drone sends you a notification confirming its arrival. Section 4, Benefits and Challenges, a balancing act. The potential benefits of widespread personal drone services are enormous. Imagine a world with significantly reduced traffic congestion as delivery trucks become a thing of the past. Envision cleaner air in our cities as drones, powered by electricity, replace gas-guzzling vehicles. Beyond the environmental benefits, personal drones offer unparalleled convenience. However, like any transformative technology, personal drones come with their own set of challenges. Privacy concerns are a major consideration. Addressing these concerns with robust privacy regulations and clear guidelines on drone usage will be paramount. Ensuring that drones operate safely in our already crowded airspace requires sophisticated air traffic control systems and strict adherence to safety protocols. Section 5, the future is in the air, personal drones and beyond. The future of personal drone services is brimming with possibilities. Imagine drones equipped with specialized sensors for environmental monitoring, providing real-time data on air quality, pollen levels, or even weather patterns. In the realm of e-commerce, we could see the rise of drone-only marketplaces offering hyper-localized products and services delivered within minutes. Need a tool for a quick DIY project? A drone can deliver it from a nearby store in no time. Craving a freshly baked pastry from your favorite bakery across town? A drone can bring it to you still warm from the oven. As we move forward, it's important to approach the development and integration of personal drone services with a focus on collaboration, responsibility, and sustainability. By working together to address challenges and harness the immense potential of this technology, we can create a future where the skies are not a limit, but a pathway to a more convenient, efficient, and interconnected world.